stop using very good everywhere. It sounds really basic, am I right? So today I'm going to share some upgraded versions of very good that you can use when you speak in English or in your daily life conversation. So the first one is excellent. যখন কেউ সত্যি অনেক ভালো একটা কাজ করে, instead of very good, আপনি বলতে পারেন excellent. For example, you did an excellent job on that presentation. অথবা আপনি বলতে পারেন outstanding. এটা আপনি তখনই বলবেন when someone went way above and beyond. For example, it was an outstanding performance. অথবা আপনি বলতে পারেন impressive. এটা আপনি তখনই বলবেন যখন কেউ তার কাজ দ্বারা আপনাকে সত্যি চমকে দেয়। For example, that was really impressive. I didn't expect that. অথবা বলা যেতে পারে exceptional. For example, he is an exceptional student. It sounds really advanced, am I right? So try to use this instead of just very good and follow this page for more videos like this.